Hey guys, I thought I would go ahead and show off Xbox Smart Glass, and basically you can control with your tablet your Xbox interface and do sort of different things with that. Let's go ahead and try, and what I haven't done before, try and see if we can sign in while my guys still not even touch the controller. Just turn the console straight on and see if you control straight from there, because that is a very important thing. Okay, it says connecting to Xbox. Connected to Xbox. Okay, so right now you're just going to see this interface. This isn't actually controlling the Xbox yet. This is just sort of a different application which you can go through here, change your avatar settings, send messages, look at what friends are online, sort of look at different things, see what games you play, whatever. It's little features of Xbox, and of course use Bing to search for whatever. But we are going to then go down here and hit this controller button. Let's go back to home first. And then once we push that, it is connecting to Xbox again. So I think I'm gonna have to, let's see what this says here. Are you signing in Xbox service? Okay, so I do have to be signed in. Okay, now we're signed in, so let's try this again. And there you go, and it came up with the message saying sign in to Smart Glass there. Okay, so now we can control it. And as you'll see here, you'll see different face buttons, and then you just use this to control. So I move right here on the screen, and it moves there. So let's try out something here. Let's go, actually, let me close back out of here and go back to this screen. And we're gonna try out Discover. And let's just hit this. And so let's play a trailer and see how this works here. So it's loading there on the screen, and then up top you see that it's now also loading. And voila, there we go. So there really isn't too much you can do, but it's a way to sort of navigate through the tablet and do whatever you need to do. Obviously you can't play any games through it, but you can just use it. It works best as if I launch the internet browser, being able to use the tablet as a mouse to sort of navigate through the internet browser on the Xbox instead of having to use the controller, which touch is a lot better than using the joystick for that. I think it's Android and it's iOS. I'm using an iPad here obviously, and so you get buttons, close out of it here, and this will bring it back to this sort of main screen where I was at before. But you can basically just sit on your couch and go through in your messages and do whatever you need to do without actually playing the game. If you're just using the interface, you can do it right there on the tablet instead of having to control it with the controller, which I don't really see any purpose. Why not just use the controller? It makes it a little tedious trying to use a different thing for that, but I guess you could say the same for the Wii U, though. You kind of got the controller and the touch with that, so it really isn't one or the other. And that's what she said. Alright, I'll see you guys later.